Welcome to Tuesday's Big Craft.
Today we are doing
Indoor camping!
Yay! So we have 4 steps for you today. So we challenge you guys to make your own fort. As you can see, we have here at the library.
This is step 1.
Yes. Step 2, we are going to be making some decorations. So today we made some lanterns and a paper fire.
Step 3, we gotta make some cool snacks. So we're doing s'mores in the oven. And then step 4 is to grab a book and read in your fort.
Let's jump into it. Hey guys, so today we have 2 crafts. So we're making a paper campfire and we're also making glow-in-the-dark lanterns. All right, let's dive in. All right, you guys, so for the resources for our paper campfire, so we are going to need either 2 paper towel rolls, or we are using the inside of like wrapping paper that we've just cut. We're using 3 different colors of tissue paper. We have yellow, orange, and red. Using a piece of cardboard for the bottom, or the bottom of a gift box is what we're using. Some scissors, and then a glue gun. All right, let's dive in. This is the final campfire project here. So that's what it looks like.
Today we'll be reading The Gruffalo by Julia Donaldson and illustrated by Alex Scheffler. This book is published by Macmillan's Children's Books. A mouse took a stroll through the deep dark wood. A fox saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going to, little brown mouse?" "Come and have lunch in my underground house." "It's terribly kind of you, fox, but no, I'm going to have lunch with a gruffalo." "A gruffalo? What's a gruffalo?" "A gruffalo? Why, didn't you know? He has terrible tusks and terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here, by these rocks, and his favorite food is roasted fox." "Roasted fox, I'm off," Fox said. "Goodbye, little mouse," and away he sped. Silly old fox, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a gruffalo. On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. An owl saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going to, little brown mouse?" "Come and have tea in my treetop house." "It's frightfully nice of you, owl, but no, I'm going to have tea with a gruffalo." "A gruffalo? What's a gruffalo?" "A gruffalo? Why, didn't you know? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here, by this stream, and his favorite food is owl ice cream." "Owl ice cream? Too-hoo, too-hoo! Goodbye, little mouse," and away owl flew. Silly old owl, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a gruffalo. On went the mouse through the deep dark wood. A snake saw the mouse, and the mouse looked good. "Where are you going to, little brown mouse?" "Come for a feast in my log pile house." "It's wonderfully good of you, snake, but no, I'm having a feast with a gruffalo." "A gruffalo? What's a gruffalo?" "A gruffalo? Why, didn't you know? His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, he has purple prickles all over his back." "Where are you meeting him?" "Here, by this lake, and his favorite food is scrambled snake." "Scrambled snake, it's time I hid. Goodbye, little mouse," and away snake slid. Silly old snake, doesn't he know? There's no such thing as a gruffalo. Whoa! But who is this creature with terrible claws and terrible teeth in his terrible jaws? He has knobbly knees and turned out toes and a poisonous wart at the end of his nose. His eyes are orange, his tongue is black, he has purple prickles all over his back. Oh, help! Oh, no! It's a gruffalo! "My favorite food," the gruffalo said. "You'll taste good on a slice of bread." "Good," said the mouse. "Don't call me good. I'm the scariest creature in this wood. Just walk behind me, and soon you'll see everyone is afraid of me." "All right," said the gruffalo, bursting with laughter. "You go ahead, and I'll follow after." They walked and walked till the gruffalo said, "I hear a hiss in the leaves ahead." "It's Snake," said the mouse. "Why, Snake, hello!" Snake took one look at the gruffalo. "Oh, crumbs," he said. "Goodbye, little mouse," and off he slid to his log pile house. "You see," said the mouse, "I told you so." "Amazing," said the gruffalo. They walked some more till the gruffalo said, "I hear a hoot in the trees ahead." "It's Owl," said the mouse. "Why, Owl, hello!" Owl took one look at the gruffalo. "Oh dear," he said. "Goodbye, little mouse," and off he flew to his treetop house. "You see," said the mouse, "I told you so." "Astounding," said the gruffalo. They walked some more till the gruffalo said, "I can hear feet on the path ahead." "It's Fox," said the mouse. "Why, Fox, hello!" Fox took one look at the gruffalo. "Oh, help," he said. "Goodbye, little mouse," and off he ran to his underground house. "Well, Gruffalo," said the mouse, "you see, everyone is afraid of me, but now my tummy's beginning to rumble. My favorite food is Gruffalo Crumble." "Gruffalo Crumble," the gruffalo said, and quick as the wind he turned and fled. All was quiet in the deep, dark wood. The mouse found a nut, and the nut was good.
All right, guys, have fun!